Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a horse racing board game. Finish Line, really cool. This is the instruction manual. You can take a look at this at your leisure when you're ready to learn how to play. Really simple to play. It does come with a little drawstring bag to keep your horses in and your dice and also your cards if you want to. That's what's in the kit as well. There's two sets of playing cards you get. One is just like this. They're both exactly the same. They come in the kit. And also you get some dice and you get the little horses. Now the horses are made out of metal. There's 4 of the gold, 4 of the copper, and 3 of the black ones here. You can see right here. See how the detail is. Here's the copper one. So you get an idea what they look like. This little horses, they're made out of metal. You can hear like that there. And you play the game and you basically roll your dice and you move up the dice. You play some cards and you just have a lot of fun. It's a great board game. Great for the whole family. Fantastic. This is made out of wood, just so you know. So really well made, very well constructed board game. Beautiful board game. You can just see how nice this game is. Really nice quality. Let me just give you some quick measurements before I wrap up this review. I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend something like this if you want to have a nice board game. This is roughly 15.5 inches long. It's oval shaped, as you can see, and it's around 10.5 inches wide in its widest area. Fantastic. And these all come out. You can see you put them all in the bag when you're done playing. Everything goes in a storage bag. Real easy for transportation. Have fun. Hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow this channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.